What if I told you that a simple clove of garlic sitting quietly in your kitchen holds secrets that could change your life? Hidden within its pungent layers is a power so ancient, so mysterious, that it has been feared and revered for thousands of years. But how can something so small possess such immense potential? Could garlic be the answer to health mysteries you've been searching for? Or is there something darker hidden beneath its papery skin? Crushing garlic, what appears to be a simple culinary act, awakens a compound known as allicin. This chemical is the source of garlic's distinct smell, but it's far more than that. It's a volatile, almost alive substance, capable of changing the very state of your body. But beware. Once unleashed, allicin doesn't just disappear. No, it seeps into your bloodstream, into your cells, affecting your immune system, your blood vessels, your very DNA. Could it be that something so humble has been working beneath the radar of modern medicine all along? Or has its true potential been deliberately hidden? For millennia, garlic was more than just food. It was medicine, even a tool of protection. The Egyptians fed it to their slaves building the pyramids, believing it gave them strength beyond the ordinary. Greek warriors consumed it before battle, trusting in its power to ward off evil. But what exactly were they protecting themselves from? Was it disease, dark spirits, or something far more sinister? And what if I told you those same properties that were used to protect ancient civilizations can still protect you from heart disease, high blood pressure, even cancer? Yet, many remain unaware. Is it coincidence that garlic has been kept in the shadows of modern health advice? Or is there a reason its powers are not widely spoken about? In recent times, modern science has finally begun to catch on to what the ancients always knew. Studies have shown garlic can lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and even kill bacteria that resist the strongest antibiotics. But here's where things get strange. Despite these findings, garlic's incredible benefits are barely mentioned by mainstream health organizations. Pharmaceutical companies? Silent. Could it be that an all-natural remedy, something they can't profit from, poses a threat to their empire of pills and treatments? Consuming garlic daily has been linked to dramatic health improvements. Some say it's as though the body is being fortified from within, stronger, more resilient. Imagine one simple clove, protecting your heart from sudden attacks, lowering your blood pressure, even fighting cancer cells without you even knowing. But why don't we hear more about this? Why is it that, while millions suffer from illnesses, garlic's miraculous effects remain locked in ancient texts and obscure studies? Could someone or something be keeping this knowledge from you? There are whispers that the power of garlic goes beyond health. Some say it has the ability to repel not just sickness, but evil itself. That's right. Garlic's legend stretches even into the paranormal. Why do you think garlic has been used for centuries to ward off vampires, witches, and curses? Could it be that these stories stem from a deeper truth, one that blurs the line between health and something far more mysterious? Perhaps garlic isn't just a food. Perhaps it's a guardian, a protector, hidden in plain sight. What else does garlic know that we don't? Could it be that its true potential is still yet to be unlocked?